Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So, I am playing now Adventure Escape. I think it looks cool because it has stories. I've played in the past. I know I played this game in the past like last year, but I deleted it. So, yeah, I don't know which story I have played because I forgot. So now I'll play Legend of the Sacred Stones, maybe this one. Let's unlock this chapter. Okay,
मैंने
I
ये गेम
need to
ट्राई किया है
download
और
it.
सच में
Wait. All right, it's been downloaded. Tempest Island holds many secrets. Okay, what secrets are there? Next, its four ancient temples have remained sealed for centuries. Four ancient temples. Okay, each temple, एक one second. Okay, each temple houses a legendary sacred stone. Okay, it's like Shadow Fight collecting stones. Okay, seals. It is said that absolute power is bestowed upon one who bears all four stones. Okay, but such power has been deemed far too dangerous for anyone to bear. Okay, okay, so energy is strong. Thus, the four stones have remained sealed away for centuries, watched over the gods. Okay. However, the allure of such power can only be contained for so long. Okay, for we can contain for it long. AE mystery. So, Arthur. Its name is Arthur or Arthur. I don't know. Arthur. If I'm wrong, please sorry. Okay. Ayla. 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 Okay. I need you to stay here and watch over your mother while I am gone. Ayla. Can you change name in these settings? Or maybe no? Okay. Is everything alright? It's Milo. I think he's trying to break into the spring temple. The spring temple? What for? I believe he is after the four sacred stones. No time to explain. I need to stop him before it's too late. Whom you have to stop? Who is after four sacred stones? Wait a minute. What will happen if your mother Ayla take care of her? Okay. So it's tutorial. Pick up the knife on the shelf. Okay. So what should I do? Select the knife in your inventory. Use the knife to cut some leaves. Okay, I got the leaves. The healing tonic recipe is in this chest. Mother's spell book should be inside this chest, but it's locked. I think father wrote down a clue for the code in one of his books. Sometimes there is a red notification. This means there is a free hint. Okay, instructions. On the locked chest near the bed. 1 second, let me read this. If you don't know what to do on a puzzle, check if a free hint is available. Okay. On the locked chest near the bed, select back. I need more info. I figured out how to unlock this chest. Father often looks at this book before opening the chest. Let's take a look inside this book. Legends of the gods have been passed down for centuries. Each god lies dormant in one of the island's four temples guarding the sacred stones. Okay, look up the hidden stars in the game. Let's pick this. Okay, I know this. Stars can be used for hints. Use the magnifying glass to view hints. Yes. Okay. Wait a second. Let me read this. Yes. Okay. Okay. Good luck. Thank you. Okay. Let's see what it's in the hint. Alright, so we can watch and add. Okay, so first hint was on the locked chest near the bed, select each of the four gems in the correct order to unlock the chest. Okay, and second hint is the book on the shelf shows Aquarius, the god of water, on the first page and has the number 1 in the upper right. This page also shows a water symbol in the upper left on the locked chest near the bed. Select the blue gem with the wave symbol as the first digit of the unlock. Okay, so the book of the shelf shows Aquarius, the god of water. Okay, then on the first page has number 1 in the upper right position. This page also shows a water symbol in the upper left. Okay, let me see. Okay, Aquarius, god of water 1, upper right is here. And what? On the first page and has number 1 in upper right. This page also shows a water symbol in a yes, of course. On the lock chest near the bed, select blue gem with the wave symbol as the first digit of the lock. Okay, I got it now. Thank you for info. Okay, how to go back? Okay. So this is the first symbol. So what's the second symbol? Let me see again book. Water, earth, wind, fire. Water, earth, wind, fire. Okay, gotcha. Got rune block, spell book. Is anything there? Nothing. What's in here? I can make a healing tonic here for mother once I find the right ingredients. Okay. I need tote, stools, a spoon, elixir, vital leaves, and mother's spell book. So here is mother's spell book. And what I want? I need toad, stools, a moon. Okay, these are leaves. We got 2 items. We need 2 more. I think it's toadstools and moon elixir. Okay. Is what this? Okay, we need a broken. Okay, we want a broken piece here. Step ladder. Where did I get from? Can we go outside? I shall stay here and take care of mother. Yes, I know. What's in here? Okay, it's a just book. Can I open this? Okay, nothing. Okay, can I open this? A jar. Okay, I need this here. Toadstools. Okay. We need one more item. I think it's in here. Father keeps this chest magically sealed. The missing root block should be around here somewhere. Yes, I have this. But how to solve this? Move each block next to its matching symbol along the right column. Drag two block to side it. Okay, I can do this. Maybe I can Wait a second. Okay, so this goes in upright position. What? Okay, you go first. You go here. Or maybe you go here. 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 No, but I want yellow one. You, you go first. Mm, wait a minute. Oh God, so much time. Okay, I can ship this already. Wait a minute. So maybe. Maybe this go here. Okay, this go here. Okay, second is this one. No, it's not this. It's red one. So I need a red. Okay, now I need this. To here. I guess. No, it's confusing. Wait a minute. Maybe you go first. Back. You go here. Come back. Wait a minute. Alright, got it. What is in here? Moon elixir. Okay, we got 2 items. Is it in anything? No. Okay, let's see. It's moon elixir and toadstools. Okay, the spell book is written in the language of the ancients. It's been a while, but I think I remember enough of it to get through the recipe. What recipe? There is a hint. To make the healing tonic, drag the ingredients into the beaker. Drag the spoon to the beaker to stir the ingredients. Use the reset button in the bottom left to restart the puzzle. Okay. So, how to make this? This shows the correct order of the ingredients. There is one more hint. Or okay. To solve the healing tonic puzzle, follow the instruction on the right page of the spell book. Right page of the spell book, starting with step 1 at the top. Left page shows with each symbol represents a specific item on the table. Drag the items on the table to the middle beaker in the correct order to create the healing tonic. Okay, let's see how to go back. Spellbook. Um, Is this a spell book? Huh? I don't get it. Location Spring Vita Walls. Vita Walls, Smory Woods, Sacred Springstone, Fallstone, Water, Earth Vines, combined with other stone hills, guardian of the fall. Uh, Wait a minute. Wait, sorry. This. To solve the healing tonic puzzle, follow the instruction on the right page. On the right page. Okay, I got it now. So, right page shows the ingredients, how many, and this shows the symbol in the left page. Okay, so this is the how much ingredients? This is the this puzzle with the seven looking thing with two dots. These are so the first is this. What are these? A leaf. Um, these are leaves. These are mushrooms. Think. No, this is. Huh? What's this? This is this syrup or is this the syrup? Maybe I should go. What is this syrup? Okay. Then two leaf or one leaves. Okay. Then mix it. Okay. Second is what is second? Huh? Is where I don't. What the hell? What is this infinity symbol ahead? And what's this below? Huh? Is there a complete ingredients? Next is infinite. You know what? I'm not getting this. Um, we add one mushroom with syrup. Next is infinity symbol, and infinity is this. There are only three items over here. Where is the fourth item? You know what? Confusing. Let's add this leaf and one this. Okay. So I'll add now leaf and this again with this. So now what's the infinity? I don't know about these 2, 4 and 6 numbers. What are these? What are these? Is this a syrup? Wait, these used only for two things. Syrup. So I guess last one is liquid. Then what are symbols? Oh, Oh, okay, these are. Oh shit. My bad. Sorry, sorry. Reset, reset, reset. I am the one. Stupid. Alright. First one is this syrup. Salt syrup liquid. Why did I say syrup? Liquid. And next is leaf. One leaf. Now mix it. Two steps are done. Third step is leaf and mushroom. Do it. Fifth step is syrup, then leaf, then mushroom. Done. This is the exact order. Shish, healing tonic. These healing tonic should help mother come around. Okay, where to put? Like this. Okay. Arthur, dear, is that you? How long have I been asleep? Selma, it's me, mother. You have been asleep since last night. It's okay, I'm here. Selma, Alia, Eladar. I think I should call her Alia. It sounds more easy to me. Alia, darling, where is your father? Is everything okay? Everything's fine. He is gone. The spring temple. An earthquake? What was that? The temple Milo must have found a way in. Your father was right. What's going on, mother? What is Milo's up to? Father said something about secret stones. Why is Milo after them? Outside in front of our cabin, there is something buried there. Bring it to me and I'll try to explain you. Need this to open it. Okay, we got earth pendant from her. Did you find it? Is it? It's in front of a cabin. Your father buried something there. I need to find what buried outside. Okay, but I need this. This is water pendant, I guess. Let's see. What's that? Alia, that's light. It's coming from the spring temple. I hope father is okay. But what to do in this? Shovel blade. Okay. What's over here? A key. Key for what? No screws. Okay. Shovel handle, a couple of pieces are missing. What if okay, so screws can't fit here. And there's something on at the bottom, but I can't quite fit my hands in here. Alia, looks like a letter from Milo written to his wife Mika. What exactly is he planning to do with the secret stones? Mika, if I don't make it back, know that I did this for you. I don't care what Arthur says. The sacred stones are the last hope for our people. He cannot keep them sealed away with his ancient rhetoric any longer. Our people need help. I will fix this. No more sickness, no more curse. That girl is the reason for all of this. I'm sure of it. You and Ollie must never stop fighting for the truth. I love you both so much, Millie. Okay, I don't care. I don't know what to do. Is there anything here? What's in this box? The water is looking crystal clear today. But I am clicking. Okay, it's locked. I think it's the key. Here is a screwdriver. Okay. Oh, there is this sign on this box. A runic symbol is carved on this box. Okay. Let me click anywhere else. I've never seen this door sealed before. I wonder if it's had something to do with that light coming from the temple. Maybe symbol is here? No? Nothing? Okay. Let's see what's the next. Okay, here is also symbol on this tree. A runic symbol is carved on this tree. And here must be a shovel thing. So is there anything light or hint? No? Okay. Or there is. Let's see here. I need to attach shovel blade first. Okay. Then screws. Then this. Okay, I got the shovel back. So I can now use shovel here. Got the bucket. So I can maybe. Okay. Bucket of water. What should I do with water? Maybe put somewhere here, here, here. No? Or should I give to mom? That's not it. Keep looking. It should be buried in the sand in front of our cabin. Maybe here, 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 where? Maybe one more shovel thing, maybe. Okay. Okay, got ya. One more? Okay, one more. One more? Where is another shovel thing? Wait a minute, let me see. Who is this? Ali. Hey, Alia. Did you see the blue light coming from the temple? It looks cool. Hey, Ali, where is your mother? You should go inside. It might be not safe. What? The earthquake my dad said that might happen. He's gone to the spring temple to save everyone. Save everyone? What are you talking about, Ali? He found a way to stop the curse that making everybody sick. He said if he awakens the gods, he can make my mom feel better. Go home to your mom, Ali. She's sick. You should be with her. Okay. What should I do with bucket of water? Maybe shovel? Is there anything in shovel? Buried inside? Anything buried inside? Okay, so here I need pendants. This one is for here. Okay. And this one. Did mother bury this? I've never seen anything quite like this. Something strange is going to around here. There is hint. On the green box lock, tap the 4 black squares to change the symbol. Okay. Is this the one 4 over here that are written is this, and this. So I guess a circle, this over here in the tree, in the wall, in the box, and in the tree again. So I guess this is this, a circle, then 2, and what was, okay, got it. I got the fire pendant over here. Need wind and water. Where is the sky pendant? It should be there. Why did they didn't add sky pendant? Space pendant. There are 5 elements in our system. In our world, in our universe, we are made of five elements. Hmm, where to use shovel again? Here maybe? No. Oh, water pendant half means here it goes. Here we got water pendant. How you do fix that with the glue or something? Let's put it here. I need wind. I need wind. One more. Is there anything? Let's take shovel. See what? Let's see. Is there anything beneath the ground? Let's see. Oh, am I stupid? It was here all the way. Here is wind pendant. Okay. So now instructions are move the symbol so that they surround the pendant of the same color. Press the pendants or the green buttons in the middle of to rotate the surrounding symbols. Okay, we need each symbol to be go with their specific colors. Um. Okay, let's see. Fire goes here. I need one more to go over. Wait, you go outside, you go outside. Alright. Now this goes here, this goes here, this goes here, this goes here. Okay. This goes here. 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 This goes. Okay. Done. What's in this? Locket. What locket? It looks like some sort of old locket. Is this that mother was after? Let's see. Yeah, that's it, Alia. Beautiful, isn't it? What is it? Alia, there is much to tell you, but so little time. There have been secrets kept, but only to protect you. What are you talking about? 16 years ago, I found you washed up on the beach. What? What are you saying? Your father and I raised you as one of our own, you see. You mean to tell me that you are not my real mother? I'm your mother, Ada. You very blessing that came to us. Came to you from where? I don't believe you are from this world. The locket you bought me was around your neck when we found you. Its material and stones inside aren't like anything we have ever seen. Mother, you should get some rest. You're clearly not thinking straight. None of this makes any sense. Another okay. Your father, Alia, go to him. He needs help you now. Take the locket. It should help get you to the spring temple. It's your time now, my child. Honestly, don't even know what to say. This is just a lot to take it right now. I'll go run check on father. Hopefully, he can clear things up. Your answer will come in time. You are part of something much bigger, truly. Okay. Thank God. Nothing I need in here. Okay. Again a blue light. What's this? Oh, should I? Whoa. The blue light in the sky triggers something in the locket. I can feel it radiating with energy. Mother said the locket can help me to get to Spring Temple. I guess okay. But how? Should I tap this? Oh, the locket is connected to that star symbol. Somehow it seems to be radiating in the same energy. But what this puzzle? Wait. On the stone door lock, press the square to push it in. Press the square again to make it come back out. But in what order? I don't know any order for this. Huh? What order? Okay, is this in this book? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's just reset this. Yes! Thank God my mind worked. Mysterious voice, bearer of the artifact. Hear my call, seek my counsel at the spring temple. That voice, where did it? I'm losing my mind. I need to find father and make sure he's okay. Maybe he can explain. Okay, let's go here. Alright. Did we finish? Okay, we finished it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Maybe we maybe there is chapter 2 in this. We will see in the next video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. And I'm thinking I should do this game as live, not as video. What guys you do you think on this video? Should I do live or should I just make a random video? Please tell me your opinion in the comment sections. And yeah, see you in the next one with the Shadow Fight series. I hope you like that one. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.